Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 OnePlus smartphones in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading OnePlus smartphone that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The OnePlus Open. This high-performance smartphone features 16GB RAM, 512GB storage, and a sleek Voyager black design. Let's explore its standout features. The OnePlus Open is the thinnest and lightest foldable phone in North America. With aerospace-grade materials and a custom flexion hinge, it offers a premium and ergonomic user experience. Featuring a 6.31-inch exterior display and a 7.82 foldable interior display, the OnePlus Open provides a near-invisible crease, Dolby Vision, 10-bit color, and 2800 nits peak brightness for vibrant viewing. Canvas allows instant app switching and drag-and-drop functionality across apps. The iconic Oxygen OS design ensures a fast and smooth experience for gaming, entertainment, and work. The triple camera array co-developed with Hasselblad includes a 48MP primary lens, 48MP ultra-wide, and 64MP periscope zoom lens. Capture pro-grade portraits and shoot in Dolby Vision HDR. In conclusion, the OnePlus Open combines innovative design, premium displays, and advanced camera technology. Perfect for tech enthusiasts, it's a fantastic addition to your gadget collection. Number 4. The OnePlus 10 Pro. This 5G Android smartphone offers top-tier features and stunning performance. Let's explore its standout aspects. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, the OnePlus 10 Pro delivers blazing fast 5G speeds. Enjoy seamless connectivity with TMO, Verizon, Google Fi, and Mint Mobile. Co-developed with Hasselblad, this camera system features a 48MP main sensor and 150 degrees ultra-wide lens. Capture stunning natural colors and up to 8K video for breathtaking photography. The OnePlus 10 Pro processes 64x more color information, offering accurate color reproduction. Enhance your photography with the OnePlus Billion Color solution. Enjoy a 6.7-inch QHD Plus screen with dynamic refresh rates from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. Experience fluid visuals and optimized battery performance for all your activities. With 65W fast charging and 50W wireless charging, get a day's power in minutes. The 5000 mAh battery ensures you stay connected longer. In conclusion, the OnePlus 10 Pro combines advanced camera technology, seamless performance, and quick charging. Perfect for tech enthusiasts, it's a fantastic addition to your gadget collection. Number 3. The OnePlus 11 5G. This powerhouse smartphone offers incredible features and performance. Let's explore its standout aspects. The OnePlus 11 5G supports 2 physical SIMs or 1 eSIM and 1 physical SIM. Perfect for managing personal and business numbers in one device. Enjoy a 120 Hz Fluid AMOLED display for smooth scrolling and a cinematic viewing experience. The high refresh rate ensures everything looks crisp and vibrant. Co-developed with Hasselblad, the camera system includes a 50MP main, 48MP ultra-wide, and 32MP telephoto camera. Capture stunning, high-quality photos effortlessly. The 5000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging ensures extended usage and quick recharge times. Stay powered throughout your busy day without worry. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, the OnePlus 11 5G delivers enhanced CPU and GPU performance. Enjoy seamless multitasking and gaming experiences. In conclusion, the OnePlus 11 5G combines flexibility, stunning visuals, top-tier camera technology, and smooth performance. Perfect for tech enthusiasts, it's a fantastic addition to your gadget collection. Number 2. The OnePlus Nord N35G. This unlocked dual-SIM Android smartphone offers incredible features and performance. Let's explore its standout features. With a 108MP camera featuring 3x lossless zoom and EIS, capture clear, high-detail photos. The 9-in-1 pixel binning technology absorbs more light for brighter, more colorful images. Equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset and up to 8GB expandable virtual RAM, the OnePlus Nord N35G ensures swift app switching and smooth multitasking. The 5000 mAh battery with 50W SuperVOOC Endurance Edition charging provides a day's power in just 30 minutes. Battery Health Engine technology extends battery lifespan and prevents overcharging. Enjoy a 6.7-inch 120Hz LCD display with dual stereo speakers. The adaptive refresh rate and ultra-volume mode enhance your viewing and listening experience. Powered by Oxygen OS 13.1, enjoy quick start and gaming tools with Game Focus mode. The 5G-enabled dual SIM offers premium specs at an affordable price. In conclusion, the OnePlus Nord N35G combines a powerful camera, performance, and advanced features. Perfect for tech enthusiasts, it's a fantastic addition to your gadget collection. Number 1. The OnePlus 12. This high-performance smartphone features 16GB RAM, 512GB storage, and stunning design. Let's explore its standout features. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with up to 16GB RAM, the OnePlus 12 ensures smooth multitasking. The dual cryovelocity VC cooling chamber enhances thermal efficiency and heat dissipation. Enjoy a 2K 120Hz super fluid display with advanced LTPO. The screen's 4500 nits peak brightness offers a vibrant viewing experience, making it perfect for any environment. The Trinity engine optimizes performance by accelerating software processes. Features like RAM Vita, CPU Vita, and HyperTouch ensure your device runs smoothly and efficiently. The OnePlus 12 boasts a 4th-gen Hasselblad camera system with a 50MP primary camera, 64MP 3x periscope lens, and 48MP ultra-wide camera. Capture stunning photos with industry-leading color science. With your purchase, enjoy 6 months of Google One and 3 months of YouTube Premium. Stay connected and entertained with these exclusive offers. In conclusion, the OnePlus 12 combines power, advanced technology, and stunning design. Perfect for tech enthusiasts, it's a fantastic addition to your gadget collection. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.